Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to set up ASUS ZenFone Zoom for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then navigate all the way down and go for accessibility. Inside you can find the system options, and there's extra large text, high contrast text, which makes all of the text outlined with a black color, and that's much easier to read. There's power button and scrolls. I would actually disable that. Auto rotate screen, that allows you to rotate your screen by just moving your phone like this, and that's preferable. If you want, you can enable it. If not, then leave it off. Speak passwords, and this will basically speak out loudly the passwords in case that somebody can't read them. And that would be actually all of the settings I would recommend to change on this phone. There's not much. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.